Good morning, crew. So this morning we are once again having a wee walk around the track just to try and keep myself in shape-ish. But today's video is all about Chinese culture and what things here are really cool and what things are really not so cool. I'm going to start off with one of the most disgusting things that they do here in China, and that has to be all the spitting. It is absolutely disgusting. You'd just be walking along the street and then you'll hear this almighty... Well, I can imagine, you can imagine. Yeah, it sounds like they're taking it right from the bottom of their socks and they just land that shit right on the floor. It's disgusting. It's not necessarily limited to the outdoors. You see it indoors quite a lot as well, especially elevators. Number two, how to pay for things here is a little bit different. You don't necessarily use cash, really at all, which is kind of weird. They use QR scanners and QR codes via WeChat or Alipay, which are two of the most popular methods of paying for goods and services while we're out here. It's much the same as Apple Pay or Google Pay or something like that. You find it very strange that we don't tend to use cash here at all. I mean, don't get me wrong, there is cash available, but people don't use it. You know, in some places using cash is frowned upon. In fact, it isn't even accepted. I was at a restaurant not that long ago and yeah, they weren't happy about me using cash. It was really unusual. I don't know why that is. I'm yet to ask that question, but I think it's a little odd. Number three, forms of transport. Everybody here travels by e-bike, more or less. Nice popular way, low emissions obviously, it's just battery powered, no fuel needed. But they're sneaky little buggers, yeah, because since they don't have petrol fueled engine, you don't hear them coming. So you gotta be really careful, really vigilant, because before you know it, you're gonna get smacked by an e-bike right up your cahoochie. My favourite form of transport is, well, one, the subway, nice and easy, and two, a hello bike. Lots of push bikes that you'll get in and around China. It's really simple to use. You get the app on your phone, it's usually via Alipay, and you just go up and you scan the QR code that's on the bike and it opens up for you, and then you can just take it for a spin. It costs, I think, about 10 to 15 kwai a month, which is what, like £1.50 for the month? Pretty good, right? Peachy, I tell you. Number four, you expect to see a lot of outdoor activities here. Some of the strangest things I've ever seen. Like a guy whipping a tin can or a spinning top. Weird thing to do. People seem to like it, which is important. All the dancing, so much dancing going on. Tai Chi, people playing with plastic swords. The next thing I think you really need to sort of get used to with Chinese culture as a foreigner is they stare at you a lot. Yeah, you are the local celebrity. I think if you're female, especially a blonde female, you're gonna get stared at a lot more. But even as a bald Scottish iron brew drinking monkey boy like myself, I get stared at a lot, especially in elevators. They kind of just all turn around and just look at you. Yeah. Yeah. How you doing? Yeah. Do you know some English? Hmm? No! 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 It's very weird. So that's all I got time for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Guys, I'd really appreciate it if you gave the video a like, if you did like the video. I mean, it really motivates me when I see people hitting that like button. So please just smash away, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Okay, bye-bye!